Okay, so we're going to have a look inside this 16 to 13 amp adapter. We're not going to take the 13 amp, we've done loads of them before. So there's just two screws in the centre, well inside. It's just going to be 3 wires, so yeah, looks like the big pin is the earth, and then you got the live and the neutral, and obviously you just undo them from the bottom. So it's really easy to wire, and obviously the 13 amps the same. The 16 amp is not fused, so obviously the only protection you've got is 13 amp, so you don't really want to be using 16 amp tools on a 13 amp adapter. So respect that 13 amp limit. If you use one of them, you've got a 13 amp limit. I'll show you that a bit close up. And there's the screws at the bottom for undoing the wires. Easy, live, neutral and earth. Also, don't use extension leads. Using extension leads with these, I've known them burn out drills just because of under voltage. So just use the adapter, 13 amp fuse, 13 amp tool, and only the size of the actual tool you're using's cable. Do not use extensions.